everybody, I am Laura and welcome back to my channel. This is Confident Notions, and for those of you who are new here, which is pretty much everybody, this is a channel that is focused on unboxings and haul videos and some really bad makeup videos because I can't put on makeup, and I hope you like it. If you do, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. That would be really awesome that folks actually want to see what I'm putting out there. So without further ado, today's video is going to be an unboxing video of a advent calendar. So I have seen a bunch of advent calendar unboxings all over YouTube, and I was like, that's cool. Maybe I'll think about getting one, maybe I won't. But the thing for me is, like, I feel that advent calendars, you should open up every single day, and that's the whole point of it. But then you unbox it and you get to see everything in there, which is cool, but also kind of defeats the purpose of an advent calendar. Anyways, so sorry for all the rattling and the noise right now. So on Sunday, I don't know, Saturday or Sunday, I got an email and it was from Birchbox saying, hey you, we've done a collaboration with Walgreens, and part of that collaboration, we have making a little adjustments there. And as part of that collaboration, we have an advent calendar that you can only get at certain Walgreens. And I was like, go on. And I checked the locator, and apparently there is one Walgreens in the Triangle area that has the Birchbox collaboration and the advent calendar, and it just happens to be one that is not too far away from my house. So I ran me over to that Walgreens to pick up, the Birchbox Walgreens collaboration advent calendar. I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, all right, finally, something maybe other people don't have because it's new. So this is what it looks like. It's a really cute box. It's like a nice purpley color with some like holographic stars and like celestial stuff coming at it. It comes with this cute little blue ribbon holder, handle, and then there's the B for Birchbox on the back of it. They also had a Birchbox stand there where you could get cards and buy at Walgreens either a 1 month, a 3 month, or a 12-month subscription to Birchbox, as well as a couple of other Birchbox gift sets and collaboration items and some other makeup items. I actually subscribed to Birchbox a long time ago. I mean, I feel it was like 4 or 5 years ago when they first came out, and they were one of the only subscription boxes out there. And I had them for a couple of months, and I think this was back when they were $10. I had them for a couple of months, and I enjoyed it for the most part, but I did run into a problem. Now, granted, I'm sure things have absolutely changed since back then, but I did run into a problem where it seemed like every box I was getting tea, and it was the same tea, and I feel like, come on, like, I thought I was getting makeup and beauty products, and it's just tea. Anywho, I know that they've made a lot of changes, and Birchbox is still out there, as well as the multitude of other subscription videos. So good for them. Good for them for doing that. So let's go ahead and get into this. So like I showed you, this is what it looks like, and then it opens at the top, and then, okay, it is upside down. Yes. And then there are 12, you can see that with the glare, there are 12 individual boxes that come in here. So a couple of things that I actually really like about this is you can see the numbers. Like some of them, their numbers are kind of all like weird and wonky. It also, aesthetically, like it's a little door. These aren't little boxes that come out here. These are little doors instead. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I like that. Because I've seen some of them where you gotta like rip it open and then you destroy the thing, and this one's pretty nice. You just use the little blue pull tabs to lift up and see what is inside. That's really cute because you could totally reuse this for something else to count down for. Either save it for next year for like another advent, or if you just wanted to put like little treats in there for your kids or something like that, that would be really cute. Good job, Birchbox. Birchbox Walgreens collaboration. Good deal. This was $35, and then you get 12 products in here. So let's go ahead can bust in and see what the first thing you get. I can hear him rattling around. So, opening up the first door is this Air Repair eye cream. It is super hydrating eye cream, ultra smoothing antioxidant formula. It's a little tiny buddy, little tiny guy here. So okay, we got a little eye cream for day one. All right. Let's see what else. Nope, nothing else in there. All right, Birchbox. This is cool. See, you don't rip it or anything, and you can just tuck it right on back in and redo it. Cool. Day two. Day two, we have Loc. You see that? LOC. This is a liquid shimmer shadow by Loc. Okay. It says it only lasts for 6 months. So pull it out so it's got a little wandy thing. And it is an eye. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad there. Okay. All right, I'm back. So, as I was filming, my phone said, hey, you've run out of storage. And I was like, seriously? Seriously, iPhone? Anyways, so we left off here with the Loc eyeshadow, what is this? Shimmer shadow. So, we got that little guy there. Moving on to number 3. So, number 3 here, we've got, open up this little door here, another tiny thing. This is Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. For dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits, Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. Okay. 100% natural, multi-award-winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisture and glossy effect. One product, 100 uses. Where you apply it is your business. Okay. Well, it looks like this. Got a nice little angled tip here. It's thick. I think it's thick. I'm on it. Oh. It's like petroleum jelly almost. It's thick. There ain't a lot in here either. There ain't not a lot in there. This is a little bitty guy. I think you got like, I mean, it's pretty thick. It's almost like Vaseline, like petroleum jelly. There's not a whole lot in there. I think you got like 2 nips in it, and that's about it. So, you do you. Number 4, we got this guy here. Let's see what we've got. We've got the, there aren't even any words in here. What is this? Ipkin. This is a Radiant Cream Primer and SPF 15. So, oh, you see that? It's like, look, we need to put a little cover on it, but we ain't got nothing small enough, so we put a big old cover on it. Okay, a little primer here. Okay, nice little primer doodad. I think you can actually get a couple uses out of that, maybe like 3 primer uses. Goes on pretty nice. Oh, we got a little shimmer to it, a little shimmer in there too. All right, okay, not bad. Where are we at? Number 5. Number 5, we've got this guy. Okay, at least it's a little bit bigger because you ain't got a lot of eyeball in there, right? So in this one, sorry, everything's falling over, and I'm a little anal-retentive, so I'm keeping them in like perfect order right here. So for number 5. So day number 5, we got this Marcel. This is looks like a mascara. This is the Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara in probably black. Yes, in black. So decent size. Looks like we got a couple of mascara swashes in there. Okay, all right. I will say it looks like that they're getting a little bit bigger. So let's see if this like continues to hold true, because our first one was a little concerning and they seem to be getting a little bit bigger as we go along. So, which is how it should be, right? Like as you count down to Christmas or like count down to like a big day, then like the presents should get like slightly bigger, right? I think so too. So number 6, we've got this is Model Co. Liquid Lip Plumper Hydrotherapy. So this here, it says apply, glide on lips. For immediate results, apply as often as needed. So I guess it's some sort of lip balm. Lip balmy, bum, 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 bum. Let's see. What we got here. Gonna get that off and give that a go. So, oh, it looks like a lip balm. Oh, it is also thick. It smells pepperminty. Let me see. I just got it all over my face too. That's nice. Good job, Laura. It's shiny. That's nice. That's nice. All right, number 6, we got liner. So moving down to row number 2, we've got 7. Oh, this one's bigger. All right. So here in number 7, we've got, this box is hella awkward. We've got the Perfect Repair Treatment Massage Color Protectorant and paraben free. So good size little container guy here. I think this is, what is this? Bamboo and keratin deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Apply to scalp, leave on 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. Okay, got a little hair treatment there. Hear my dog barking. So good job. Okay, they're getting a little bigger, feeling a little better about this. Number 8. Oh shoot, just bent that bad boy there. My bad. Number 8. This is so awkward. So number 8. Oh, we got something a little bit bigger. We've got the High Performance Hair Care Soothing Balm. I don't know who this is by, but there is, looks to be like a little bird with a snorkel on it. N4. Okay. N4 smooth, frizzy, unruly hair. Okay. So a couple of hair products here. So we went and got some deep conditioner, and then we've got some other hair balm. Okay. Number 9. Moving on to number 9, we've got a liquid liner in black by Ico London. So it is a skinny black eyeliner, precise and smudge proof. So cool. Let's see what else we got here. Moving on, number 10. They are getting better as we go along. Number 10, we've got Lipstick Queen. Oops. Let's see here. We got this little tiny lipstick queen thing. And this is in the color Morning Sunshine. I hope it is not that color, but we'll see. Oh. I'm confused. This is yellow. Space Brands, Morning Sunshine. It smells okay. Is this one of those ones that like changes color? Oh, maybe it's like one of those color shade ones because I put it on and it's turning like a pinky color. Can you see that? Oh. I don't know. Maybe it's one of those like magic ones where you put it on and it turns a different color, which is pretty cool. All right. Moving on. A couple more here. What did we just do? 10? We did 10. And 11. For 11, we've got something that the lid was open and it has all spilled out. Well, that's unfortunate. Damn shame, Birchbox. So that's too bad. This should have been Hair Shot Ampule. And it looks to be, it says time is precious. So it was some sort of hair thing that is empty. Wah, wah, wah. All right, Birchbox. The last thing we've got here is in number 12, and it is something that's actually a decent size. All right, so this is the number 7 Protect and Perfect Defense Cream. It's advanced day cream with sunscreen and broad spectrum SPF 30. Hydrates and protects, visibly improves wrinkles. So let's see what we got here. So decent size little sample-y tube. Let's see here. And let's put it on this hand here. Yeah. Nice little cream. Smells like face cream. Okay. So all in all, that was the Birchbox with Walgreens Countdown to Beauty collaboration. I would say overall for $35, not great. Not great. There's a lot of tiny little things in here like this, which, I mean, I think there might be one use in here. There's not a whole lot in here. I mean, it's super light. It feels empty. I mean, aside from the fact that this thing here came opened and it spilled out everywhere and doesn't exist, you really only got a handful of actual like makeup products. So we got the eyeshadow stick and we got the liquid liner and some mascara and then just a handful of creams. And some of these here, like these are like literally, these are free samples. Like this Dr. Lips free like this here should not be a day, right? This is like a free sample. As a matter of fact, when I was at Walgreens, the lady gave me a free sample of this thing here, this Soothing Repair Moisturizer. She's like, oh, let me throw you something in here, honey. And so this is a free sample, which is probably not too far off from that. So all in all, like, I think Birchbox, I mean, good for you for doing a collaboration with Walgreens. You know, it's the first one, maybe not, actually getting your stuff out there into like the mainstream market so people can see it and get more familiar with your subscription box. But all in all, I would say that what you get in there is pretty not awesome. The box itself is really nice. I think the way that they made it and then the way they have all of these things set up and they're reusable. Like this is a really nice box. But what was inside the box, pretty disappointing in my opinion. So yeah, Birchbox for Walgreens collab, pretty sad. All right, so that was my honest review. And I usually like a lot more things. So yeah, so if you like that and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye y'all, have a great rest of your day.